Okay, my people, yeah, welcome back. It's time now for me to, boil our stockfish. First, I have to wash it. I gotta wash it. Washing it. Usually I use this brush for washing my fish, stockfish, any other thing that I want to wash, but I feel like it will be good. I need to use it to clean it before cooking. Okporoko, stockfish. My people use it in eating ugba, making soup. Cooking stew, tomato stew. So it depends on what you want to use it for. And this one I'm preparing now, I'm going to use it to eat in ugba. Okay, it's time to cook our okporoko, our stockfish. Okay. Why I did not want to cook it on the ordinary gas is that it's going to take me a longer period. Okay, so with this in 15 minutes I'm done. I set it for 20 minutes. I might come back between 15 minutes to put it up, because I know it would have done very well to the texture that we want it. We want it very soft. Okporoko is very hard. If you want to cook it with ordinary gas, it's gonna take you longer period, even more than 1 hour. So I don't want to burn gas unnecessarily. Thank you for watching. Okay, we'll come back when it's ready and I will show you the outcome. Hello family, welcome back. Okay, this is me coming back to check our stockfish. It's almost ready. More than 15 minutes that's out there. I put it on. So what I'm gonna do, since I'm not using it immediately, I will remove it from the stock water and preserve it in the freezer till our Easter weekend, when we're going to use it to eat our ugba. So oh God. So right now, the stock water, I'm gonna use it to prepare soup. Yes, I'm gonna use it to cook another day. You can see our okporoko. I feel it's very soft. Let me do a testing. Very, very tasty. This is it. Everyone will check her. So we're welcome. We're gonna wait till the day, Saturday or Sunday. We prepare it and present it. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. God bless you.